Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by organizing and importing quickly so nothing slows you down. Create bins for each camera and drag footage into the timeline or project panel. Make sure audio tracks are active because Premiere uses sound to align. Next, pick a reference, either a scratch audio track or the camera with timecode, since that choice determines accuracy. Once done, select all clips you intend to synchronize. Use consistent frame rates and confirm clip start points before moving on to the sync command. Once clips are selected, run Premiere's automated options to save time. Use Merge Clips in Project for multicam or Synchronize in the timeline for grouped layers. Choose audio if you match scratch tracks or timecode when cameras share LTC/TC. After the auto pass, visually confirm waveforms align. Scrub the playhead across cuts to verify lips or action match. If you spot drift, use slip edits, nudges by one frame, or manually slide audio layers. Refine until sync holds across. To finish, assemble your synced clips into a new sequence or create a multi-camera source for live cutting. Lock the tracks you don't want altered, relink any offline media if you moved files, and render audio to avoid playback glitches. Make sure to save a dedicated project version after the sync step so you can revert. If you notice misalignment, rerun synchronization using timecode for precision or align waveforms by eye. This resolves most problems and prevents cumulative drift during editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.